Okay, so for design 2, I'm going to do a bit more of a traditional, just straight handle, a bit more of a twist. So I'm just going to undo these features, put us back into this sketch, and I'll just delete these ones out. So we still need this straight line here through the middle, and we still need this one coming out 10 mil, about 10 mil from the bottom. I would do, so this is like the example in the classroom. This one's going to be 13 mil, so about 26 diameter when it revolves around. It's going to have a little bit of a chamfered profile at the bottom. It's going to come up, and then we'll have a chamfered profile at the top. And the one in the class I've made is about 80 mil tall from the bottom of the shifter to the top. And again, you can play around with some of these features. They don't have to be sort of exactly like mine. You can do whatever design you like. You could do some little notches out of the sides. I'm just going to make that one a construction line. Again, best practice is put some dimensions in, make sure everything's fully constrained. Okay, so I'll finish that sketch. We'll do the same process, revolve that feature around this axis. So I'm just going to create this one as a new body. And yes, oops, I did forget to do this line here. So it revolves with the 12 mil hole in the bottom. Just wanted to share another feature that you could do. Now you might want to add some grips on there, so finger grips. And the way you'd go about doing that, because you can't create a sketch on a curved surface, we would create a sketch and then we'll do it on this central plane. I would use circle tool and I would create a set of circles, some dimensions on, maybe 20 mil. I would use the horizontal vertical tool to make sure they're all aligned with each other. Set them an equal distance apart. And then we'll set a distance from the bottom in this case, maybe 60, maybe 63. Now it also needs a distance from the origin point, so we've got 21 off. And these circles are features I'm going to cut extrude out of the shifter, so I'm going to select all three of these, symmetric, and cut them in. Now, if the profile isn't cut out enough, or you're too big or too small, you can always come back and edit this sketch. So I might bring this in, maybe we'll go 18, so we'll cut more of that profile out. A couple of little fillets. Feels right. All right, so here's my second design. The third one will be a little bit more different again. We'll use a bit more of an organic feature to create the